Look at these beautiful, majestic creatures.
What do you see? An irrelevant animal living in the ocean?
No, I see life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. Hi, Francis Javier Nunez,
James Matthew Williamson here.
and we're here to inform you about orcas and their mistreatment.
It's true.
Killer whales are known for their massive attacks on prey and beautiful marking and spots along their long bodies. Did you know that killer whales can grow as long as 32 feet in length and weigh as much as 22,000 pounds? Or that these killer whales are known to hunt both gray and blue whales? These are just some basic facts about the orca whale. But the real question is, did you know? In a past experiment done to count the number of killer whales on Earth, the number used to be somewhere around 100,000. But a more recent count has been proven that there are less than 50,000 killer whales left on planet Earth.
Experts don't even consider orca whales to be an endangered species. Yet this does not mean protection efforts do not need to be put forth to save these whales. Many factors contribute to the decline of the orca whale population, including chemicals like mercury and dioxins in the habitats of these orca whales. Whaling is a small contributor to the decline of the population, but this also needs to be stopped. The capture of orcas for entertainment purposes in places such as aquariums and SeaWorld cuts the life of these orcas in half. This is a big problem and needs to be stopped.
Did you know that the dorsal fin pictured above is that of a male orca in SeaWorld? All male orca whales in captivity have this collapsed dorsal fins. If you look in the wild, only 1% of the male population has this. This is how the male dorsal fin looks in the wild, and this is how all orca males should look. There are some quick and easy fixes to save and protect the orca whales. One of the things that we can do is prevent the companies that are polluting their waste into the ocean that is interfering with the orca's way of life. We can either A, stop them completely from dumping their waste in the ocean, or B, make them have a more pure water when they dump in the ocean so it does not harm any sea life in that matter. The second thing we can do is we can prevent whaling and boats running into these orcas by the IWC, which is the International Whaling Commission, to have stricter laws and to uphold and enforce them better. And finally, the whales in captivity that are used for entertainment, we can have them all taken out and released into the wild and make it illegal. It is wrong to have these animals in captivity because you can see in the males that their dorsal fins are being flipped. They are also getting into fights, which is leading to deaths, and they have killed many trainers, whereas in the wild, there has been only one reported incident of an orca whale attacking a human being. I hope this has helped you to open your eyes to the ocean, to see that there is a matter that needs to be addressed, and that is saving the orca whales.
I hope we have opened your eyes and made you realize this problem that is occurring in nature. I know Francis and I both would enjoy our grandkids seeing these majestic orcas that are swimming in the seas nowadays. I'm James Matthew Williamson.
And I'm Francis Nunez. And we'll see you around. Solid.